Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Patrick Sia, Singaporean, co-owner of VEM International Art Gallery, together with Miss Owi Cheong. Firstly, we would like to thank God for blessing us for this event. I also like to acknowledge all the guests of honor, Miss Giselle Sanchez, Miss Marie Pei Yang from UST, President of UST Atelier, and also to all the Angono Atelier Association, to the Miranda's family as well, to be present here today in celebration of Sir Nemi Miranda's imaginative figurines, 50 years of dedication to Filipino workers. And congratulations, Sir Nemi, for your solo exhibit and your book launch. Thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful message, Sir Patrick Sia. And now, may I call on Miss Marie Pei Yang, the President of UST Atelier.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Marisa Pei Yang, the President of UST Atelier Alumni Association, the College of Fine Arts. As the President of the UST Atelier Alumni Incorporated, it is my pleasure to be one of the guests of honor to the art exhibition and book launching of the premier Damasian visual artist in our country. Mr. Nemi Miranda is an award-winning visual artist. I am grateful for his continued support in our alumni association, and he is truly one of the pillars in the Philippine art scene. Thank you so much. Aspire to inspire. God bless.
And now, may I call on Mr. Lander Blanza to give us inspirational message, sir.
Maraming dumalo. Ano po masasabi ko? I just did the write-up for Mr. Nemi Miranda, and tomorrow my write-up will be coming out from, of course, my articles for Manila Times. Sir Nemi, matagal ko na kaibigan yan. Matagal na kami magkasama niyan. Mula po noong 1975 na nabanggit niya sa akin na sobrang dami na nagawa niya. At ako nagpupunta sa bahay niya, no? Talagang masasabi natin dapat siya yung karapat-dapat na susunod na national artist.
Thank you, sir, for that message. And now, the last but definitely not the least, he is the father of imaginative figurism. He's one of the reasons why the Angono art community is entitled the art capital of the Philippines. So let's all welcome Mr. Nemi Miranda. Congratulations.
So magandang gabi sa ating lahat, sa mga bisita natin. So ito pong exhibit na ito ay alay ko sa ating bansa. Kasi ang aking tema ng exhibit ko dito ay yung 50 years of dedication honoring our Filipino workers. Sila po lahat ay mga bayani ng ating bansa. Yung araw-araw na kinakain natin sa pagkainan ay mga magsasaka at mangingisda po ang ating pinanggagalingan yan. Kaya dapat binibigyan natin pagkilala at honor itong ating mga manggagawa. Minsan sila pa yung ating nakakaligtaan. Itong mga taong nagbibigay ng pagkain sa atin. So I hope, salamat sa BAM International Art Gallery at tayo binaunlakan na makapagtanghal sining dito. So with that, I say mabuhay, mabuhay ang bansang Pilipinas at suportahan natin ang ating mga manggagawa. Maraming salamat.